The group is hampered by the need to integrate groups, but they have to find they finance food security with over 120. Hi everyone, today is 29th of December 2025 and we are on the holiday, Christmas and New Year holiday in the Finnmark, north of Norway. A few days ago, if you have seen my older video, we went to a Brookhandel, a second-hand shop here nearby, and we asked them if they have got radio. The lady told me that maybe in their storage they have, so we exchanged the numbers. And later in the evening, her husband brought us this very beautiful basically, I asked him how much. He said 200 Norwegian krone, which is almost 17 euro. And 17 euro, this preserved beauty, I think it's a very good find. It's in a pristine condition. Of course, the contact cleaner has to be applied to the volume control on-off switch, band switch, and because it's cracking a bit, but that's not a problem. But you see how beautifully it's made with the oak wood and front speaker and the globe-like dial with all the names of the cities where the radio stations were located with the four band. It's amazing. This is from 1955. This radio is a tube type. It has a four vacuum tubes inside. Just to tell you about some history about the Radionette Menuett. Radionette found. So, Mr. John Wissel, self-taught electronic engineer, he started building in his family apartment. Then he has registered the company in 1927. Then he got a small room in the University of Oslo in 1928. 1955 to 1963, they have built up Menuett. This is the Menuett also. This is the last version with the four bands, popular tabletop radio series. Menuett was originally launched as a budget-friendly model in 1955 with later versions including multi-band reception, long wave, medium, and short, which is this model. The connection of external turntable and tape recorder, which it has on the back side, I'll show you later on, because they have a basic engineering, basic but workable models. As you can see, this from 1955, and I don't know how many years it was not working. And when they brought to me, and I just plug with the power supplies, and it start working. Okay, volume control is cracking a bit. You see. And this is a tone. It's a high tone here. This is the tuning. This is the band switch. So I heard the long time Norway has moved from the FM and medium wave transmission because they transmit on the DAB plus. So there are not many stations, but we are also close to Finland. Maybe we're able to receive some stations. So basically noise. So only possibility is the shortwave listening. But after the cleaning, this band switch and also
The tuning is quite smooth, a little bit spray can be, and this tone control is also, you see, making cracking, and the volume control. This radio will sound better. I have gone through a supermarket nearby Finland, and I bought this WD-40. I could not find any other contact cleaner, but I think this will do the job. Later on, we'll open the radio and I show you inside how it looks like. But on the shortwave, it's receiving very well. I just put a wire. Look, this is the wire. I just put this is the wire, so it serves as an antenna. And we are able to receive stations as far as China, USA. So this is the back side of the radio. I can show you, and this is a label where you can see that was sold in 397 crowns, 3250 Texas, uh, in Warsaw, a small city not very far from here. This radio is a serial number and everything. And if we are moving here, we is for 4 to 8 ohms external speaker. This is to connect the pickup phonograph. And here you have an antenna and the ground connection. And you can see a tube burning inside. It has only 4 tubes, as I did not open yet, but it says on the schematic diagram I found on the internet it's working on the 4 tubes only. Uh, but of course, I'll open up and show it to you guys. See, it's a lot of dust. I open the cover and I see this dust of decades. Everything is covered in the dust. The loudspeaker, the audio transformer, the tubes, the capacitor, the variable capacitor for the tuning, all tubes, and also the chassis is covered with a one thick layer of dust, and also the tube up, the ferrite rod with the long wave and medium wave antenna. Everything literally is covered with a lot of dust, and this has to be clean before I do the contact cleaner on the potentiometers and the bend selectors, because this dust is not good. I have to find the way to do that, because here I have very limited resources. I'm on the holiday to see what I can use to, to dust off this whole chassis and clean all the components. You look how much dust, my God. It's a lot of dust on this radio. It has to be cleaned one way or another. Let me see how can I do that. Oh, I found this compressor for the tire pressure, and with this air I can do that. Yeah, it's happening. You see, wow, this is good. This is dust is going out, and luckily our host has this compressor for the vehicle tire pressure. So I'm using this to dust off this radio. It's very useful in sense, and now it's looking much better than before. I'm very happy that this solution is working for me to clean this very vintage radio from 1955. Now it's looking much better than before. All the thick layer of dust is gone, and then components and the chassis is clearly visible. I am happy with this compressor for the tire pressure. It helped me out, so I was able to clean this old jam with the high pressure. It's much clear now. You can see also those small balls on the variable capacitor. So it will be much easier to apply the contact cleaner, and of course it will work. So this is the part which we have to open it up. This is the band selector, and this one is for the tuning. It's connected to the tuning capacitor through the thread, and here is the bass control, and here is on off, and volume control. So I think I need to use some contact cleaner because it was cracking. So here I only found WD-40. I think it should be fine. And this one is tone collector. Here it's fine. We don't need to. This one, I think it will go inside. Oh, it's already very easy. Very smooth. Wow, this is very smooth also. This works also very smooth. This is the band controller. Also, I think it will not cracking anymore. So that was needed to dust it off, and a little bit contact cleaner on the switches. And this Radionette Menuett is ready. Maybe another 55 years, who knows. Now I will close the radio, and then we try to turn it on. Well, the quality of components are remarkable. This inductor is for the short waves. You see here, big capacitor here, one big capacitor here, resistor down there, and over there some resistors, and here are some connections to the coil. And I just wanted to show you the band switch. This is the band switch. It was cracking before. Now we do WD-40. Look like contacts are fine now. Now I connected with the power, and let me reach and turn it on. Okay, we see a light on the tube. In my opinion, it should not be cracking the connectors now. Nice. Yeah, we hear the sound from the speaker. This is the transformer. This tube is also. So it's receiving. I like the smell from the tubes when they are light up. So let me close up and we connect a little bit antenna wire which I put outside, and then we try to tune if all the bands are working fine. Give me a second, please. So we close the radio. Now we see how it will perform after a little bit cleaning. At least all the knobs and controls, they are moving very freely. So I suspect a better performance. Wow. It's working. Wow. And this is okay. This is the bass control tone. It's short wave. Okay. This is, I don't know. You see, I wanted to show you the beautiful dial. So look, all the stations are written, and the needle, it's the world globe. All the stations are written. It's a lot of reflection. And this is here last is the pickup. This is long wave. This is medium wave. Unfortunately, no stations. This is short one. So sadly, the Norway, they stopped transmission on FM, medium wave, and long wave. It's a shortwave too. Chinese station. So all you hear on the shortwave nowadays is China. Let's see some other station. The selectivity and the spread system on shortwave is not ideal. You need to be very careful. So tuning station is very, very delicate.
Today, people walk up the first day of Trinidad with confidence, they citizens have seated with steady growth, bringing entire living forward. Greater prosperity and happiness. As the new year begins, the world enters a new development cycle filled with both
So
opportunities
some
and challenges.
English.
Context, Vietnam is emerging as a trusted destination.
Okay, it's Radio Vietnam in English.
A venue for future investment, cooperation, and the co-creation of shared values. Vietnam, in terms of this.
It's also a very beautiful piece for the internal decoration, also interior decoration. If somebody wanted to showcase a 60s and 70s layout, this radio can be placed in the drawing room and some corner to make a very beautiful look. I love when the antiques they are all working also. So that was the video I would like to share with you from the Radionette Menuett receiver from 1955. This we acquire from the Finnmark, Norway, from the Brukthandel, which is second-hand shop. This one and another Sharp, which is a boom box with a built-in CRT television, AM, FM shortwave radio, and the cassette recorder. So that will be coming soon. Stay tuned for that. And I wish you very happy holidays and happy New Year 2026. Bye-bye.